guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to show you this blender that I just bought in Costco. And according to the maker of this blender, the blender can handle a variety of tasks like blending, smoothies, making soups, crushing ice, just to name a few. And with that said, let's find out what's in the box. So the box is looking like this, guys. So you are coming with me. We are going to unbox together. As you can see, it is a deluxe. If you are new here, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks for coming. And those of you that already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. All right. So now it's the time for the big reveal, guys. Let's open this box and see what's inside of there. Over here I have my little knife, and I'm just gonna search for the corners. And first thing I can see, this is the so this is the guide and the warranty. I think this is a part for the this looking like the chopper area for the bullet. So this is the blender cup. This is a cover for the blender cup. This is a part of the handle, I think. Then we have another blender cup here. So it's two blender cups. You know, these are the cups that you probably can take along with you. All right, so this is another piece. So now let's lift this cover off and see what is at the bottom. So we have two small cups. Let me go ahead and take off the plastic. So this is one of the small blenders, guys. So it's two of them. Then we have this big bad boy here. We have two blenders. This is one of the small ones. And this is what it's looking like, guys. Let's see how much. It can hold 80 ounces of juice, whatever you're putting inside there. So this is what it's looking like. Turn it around a little. Bottom is like that, and this is what the top is looking like. All right. So this is the bottom area. This is the top. And up straight, this is what it's looking like. So it holds 80 ounces or 10 cups. All right, so we're gonna set that aside. Then let's see what else is in here. So we have another layer here. So we have two of this. This is like the chopper that if you want to chop your vegetables. So this is what it's looking like, grading disc. Say you want to cut your cucumbers, your cabbage, and all those things. This is what you would insert. So it's two of them. One, two. Now let's go back inside the box. Uh-huh. Take a look at this, guys. Go back inside the box. And this is the big boy. This is the huge blender base, guys, the Ninja. As you can see, it's the Deluxe. Very huge base. See what it's looking like? The top is looking like this. This is where you put the cup right here. And as you can see, it has this big round button up front. Then you have the pulse area. Then you have the on and off button. This is the bottom area. And this is what your blender is looking like, guys. The base is huge, very heavy, weighty, very weighty. All right. Up close, as you can see, we have the pulse button. We have the off and on button and that big button down there just to kind of, you know, set it the way you want it. All right. Set this aside. And there's nothing else in the box, guys. Nothing in the box. So this is what it's looking like. These are all the gadgets that come into this box. And as you can see, these are all the different things that you can use this blender set to do. You can extract juice. You can make smoothies, drinks, all sorts of things. You can chop your vegetables, cucumbers, and stuff like that. This is like a chopper for one of the blenders. We have a handle here, and this is pretty much piece of the chopper area for one of the blenders, right? It comes with two chopping discs. We call it grating discs, two of them. So here they are. So it's say you wanted to, so say you want to make sure vegetables and stuff. This is what you would use. Disc. Two blender cups. Here they are. One, two. So this one is like a cup. Say you make your juice or whatever, and you can and you say you make your juice and stuff. This is a cup that you can take along with you if you are on the go and you just want to dash out the door with something. Then you have another one. This is actually the bullet. This is a small blender. All right. So it's two of them. Side angle. This is what it's looking like. Let's see how many ounces. How many ounces? This can hold 21 ounces. Or, so each one is 24 ounces, guys. Very weighty and sturdy. So this is for the big blender. All right, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get the blender cup for this one. So this is the blender cup, guys, for the big Ninja. So this one holds 80 ounces or 10 cups. This is what the bottom is looking like. And this from the side view, this is what you're looking at. Has a handle. And this is the bottom area, guys. Huge. Can you imagine 80 ounces can fit in this, or 10 cups? You look inside, it has a big chopper, blue. It also comes with a processor. All right, guys, side view. That's the processor. Has a handle. This is what the top area is looking like. This is what the top area is looking like. And up here, you can actually take this out. You would insert your whatever you want to process in this little area down here. And then you'll just put your cover on, and that's it. So let's see how many ounces. This one holds 72 ounces. 72 ounces or 9 cups, as you can see. And that's it, guys. That's it. So how many pieces? We have 2 cups, 1 processor, 1 big Ninja blender. Let's see if we can fit it. Let's see. Okay, so now I was able to fit the top to the bottom. That's what it's looking like, guys. Very huge. Huge, huge. And I guess I'm gonna have to put this, set it up a little better, but we'll get around to that because we will be making all sorts of juice. And we have these 2 little pieces like I showed you before. 2 cups are here. One is a bullet, one is a on-the-go cup. You can take with you along anywhere you want to go. And this is the box. All right, guys. Guys, thanks a lot. Those of you already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. And those of you that are new here, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Please remember to give the video a like, share it, comment, subscribe, and touch up your notification so you could know when I upload a video. Guys, these are all the gadgets that came into the box. So we have right here, we have the Ninja. This is the blender. And I can just lift the top off like that, insert it. And what you gotta do is just twist it into place, just like that. And so we have a big button right here. You can turn it and you can go ahead and just pretty much put it to whatever you want. So it has order, IQ, and then you can bring it over here. We have over here, we have the on and off button. And this is the name of it, guys, Ninja Deluxe. The cover is right up here. Cover is right up here. And this is what it's looking like. Very huge blender cup. It has, let's see how much. The max limit is 80 ounce or 10 cups. Very big. See that? This is the top area. You have the release button here.